Hello everyone. Choosing between PFSense and PFBlockerng and Adguard Home can be confusing since they overlap. However, they each have a specific job. And this video will help you decide how to build the best network defense for your specific needs. To start, PFSense is the brain of your network. It's a professional-grade firewall and router software. It's famous for being stable and packed with features. However, PFSense itself doesn't automatically filter out ads. It provides the platform, but you have to decide which tool to install on top of it to keep the junk off your screen. It's the essential starting point for this whole conversation. This is where PFBlockerng comes in. It's a plugin designed to work perfectly inside PFSense. It's widely considered the most powerful way to filter traffic. It can block ads at the DNS level, but it also can block traffic based on where it's coming from in the world. This is called geo-IP blocking. While the menus can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, it's the best choice if you want your router to do all the heavy lifting in one place. If that sounds too complex, look at Adguard Home. It's a standalone DNS server that acts as a gatekeeper for your internet. It stops ads and trackers before they even reach your phone or computer. The best part is the dashboard. It shows you exactly what's being blocked in real time with easy to read charts. It's perfect for users who want a set and forget it solution. You get great protection without needing to be a networking expert. In short, PFSense is your router, PFBlockerng is the advanced tool for professionals, and Adguard Home is the user-friendly filter for everyone else. Many people even use PFSense and Adguard together to get the best of both worlds. Pick the tool that fits your comfort level and enjoy a cleaner web. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.